Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shocks for F150 two-wheel drive that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for durability, performance, or ease of installation, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Detroit Axle two-wheel drive front 2PC shock absorbers. This product is tailored for specific two-wheel drive models, including the Ford F150, F250, Expedition, and Lincoln Navigator. It's a solid option for those looking to replace front shocks only, as the kit includes 2 front shock absorbers designed to meet rigorous demands. Featuring alloy steel construction and a sleek black finish, the design emphasizes durability and a modern aesthetic. Performance-wise, these shocks offer a smooth ride and decent handling for everyday driving. They undergo impact, wear, and fatigue testing, ensuring they last for years under normal use. However, they may not be ideal for heavy-duty off-roading or vehicles exposed to extreme conditions. User reviews highlight the easy installation process and compatibility with specific models. But some have noted that the performance may not match premium shocks on uneven terrain. The Detroit Axle 2PC shock absorbers are best suited for drivers seeking affordable replacements for front shocks on their F150 or similar vehicles. While they lack advanced features like monotube design or premium damping, their 10-year warranty adds value for peace of mind. The main drawback is the limited application, as this kit doesn't include rear shocks, which may necessitate purchasing additional components. At number 4, we have the Drivestar two-wheel drive shock absorbers for the 1997 to 2003 Ford F150 models, excluding those with 7700 lb GVW. This kit includes both front and rear shock assemblies, making it a complete solution for your suspension needs. Drivestar emphasizes ease of installation, with buckle holes designed to align perfectly with your vehicle's original setup. The unit uses oil and gas valving to absorb energy from the springs, enhancing ride quality and handling. The design is robust, featuring a black exterior and high-quality materials promising durability. While these shocks perform admirably on typical roads, they shine in improving handling and reducing the bounce effect on uneven terrain. However, with only a handful of customer reviews, 4.1 stars overall, the user feedback is limited, leaving some uncertainty about long-term reliability. Despite this, its ease of assembly and compatibility with various F150 models make it a good choice for DIY enthusiasts. The Drivestar shocks are ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a straightforward replacement kit. They lack advanced features found in premium options, but their affordability and convenience make them a strong contender for everyday driving. On the downside, the limited reviews and lack of premium damping technology might deter those seeking high-performance shocks for heavy-duty use. In third place, the Detroit Axle 2WD shock absorbers for Ford F150, F250, F350, Ranger, and Bronco models offer impressive versatility. This kit includes 4 complete shock absorbers for both front and rear, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles spanning several decades. The shocks are pre-assembled for easy installation, eliminating the need for special tools or additional work. Built with a sturdy black finish and alloy steel components, the shocks are designed to withstand wear and tear. Performance is solid for everyday drivers, with decent damping that reduces vibrations and improves overall ride stability. While these shocks might not cater to heavy off-road enthusiasts, they are reliable for standard use and light-duty conditions. Users consistently praise the 10-year warranty, which adds significant value to the product. But some have reported minor compatibility issues with specific older models. This kit is perfect for those with older Ford trucks or SUVs looking for a budget-friendly yet comprehensive replacement. The pros include easy installation and broad compatibility, while the cons revolve around limited, high-performance features and occasional fitment issues. If you're looking to restore your vehicle's suspension without breaking the bank, this is a solid mid-range option. At number 2 is the Detroit Axle 2WD shock absorbers, designed specifically for the 1997 to 2003 Ford F-150, excluding 7,700 pounds GVW models. This kit includes 2 front and 2 rear shock absorbers, making it a complete replacement solution for your suspension system. Detroit Axle is known for its rigorous quality testing, including impact, wear, and fatigue tests, ensuring durability and reliability for everyday use. The shocks feature an alloy steel construction with a sleek black finish, adding to their overall appeal. Performance-wise, they provide a noticeable improvement in ride quality, reducing vibrations and enhancing handling on various terrains. With a 10-year warranty, this product offers peace of mind for long-term use. However, some users noted that while installation is straightforward, the fit may not be perfect for all models, requiring minor adjustments. This product is ideal for drivers seeking a reliable and durable suspension upgrade for their F-150. The pros include solid build quality, easy installation, and a comprehensive warranty. On the downside, they lack advanced damping features found in higher-end shocks, and some minor compatibility issues may arise. Overall, it's a great option for everyday drivers who want a dependable solution without overspending. Taking the crown at number 1 is the BR-Tech 2-driveway front and rear shock absorbers for Ford F-150 models from 1997 to 2003, excluding 7,700 lb GVW models. This kit includes a full set of 4 shock absorbers, combining front and rear replacements for a complete suspension upgrade. BR-Tech goes the extra mile with a 36-month warranty, offering one of the longest coverage periods in its category. The monotube design with premium chrome piston rods ensures durability and longevity, while meticulous welding prevents oil leakage and reduces friction noise. Performance is stellar, with noticeable improvements in handling, ride comfort, and stability on uneven terrain. The shocks also excel in reducing vehicle bounce, roll, and sway, making them ideal for drivers who prioritize smooth and controlled rides. Installation is simple, thanks to congruent buckle holes and the included hardware kit. The BR-Tech shocks are perfect for drivers seeking high-quality suspension components with excellent performance and extended warranty coverage. The pros include superior build quality, enhanced ride comfort, and easy installation. The only downside is the limited number of customer reviews, which may leave some buyers hesitant. However, if you're looking for top-tier shocks on a mid-range budget, BR-Tech delivers exceptional value and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.